It's easy to change the train at this station. How much you change the name?